can see the environment here on the Safe and Sound Pro, the Classic, and on the HF35C. We are in airplane mode, connected to Instagram, and I will show you that we're connected by going, go to the stock market. That's something that's on live too. Let's see if I can get any of these stories. And here's a video. Within there now, this video is playing, and you can see that when we're in semi-far field, then I would say that we are in the far field with the Pro. With the HFC, we are probably not, but I will bring it closer because we're looking for fields to be detected here. I'm even going to change the setting from peak to the peak setting. And I will change the setting here as well. And we'll see if there's anything detected. And now we're going to go off airplane mode. And you'll see the difference. See, everything's popping off airplane mode. We are plugged in via an Ethernet cable here. I'll show you. Just to be absolutely sure. This is the Safer Tech Ethernet adapter. And now, once again, I'm going to go into airplane mode and show you the difference. And just to be absolutely positive, I'm going to find Instagram again to show you. Just because that's always nice to see an actual running video. There's Instagram. Okay, good. And so, we go to my Tech Wellness Instagram. And we'll see the videos playing. We'll watch them play all the way through so we know that we're connected. And see that load. We're also going to go into our settings. Hold on, let me get into settings and show you that we are absolutely in airplane mode and that the Ethernet is connected, which you can see right here. So Ethernet is connected. Once again, you can see the readings. I'm not sure what you're talking about getting extreme fields on your device. I would think that maybe, and this can absolutely happen, maybe you're detecting fields that are in the environment. That's very common. But as you can see, in the Faraday, we're not detecting a ton of fields that are in the environment. So once again, we will go off of airplane mode, and I can even turn on Wi-Fi, and I can turn on Bluetooth in here until I create a really unpleasant environment. And then, of course, I'm going to turn everything off because this is not good for me. Okay, that goes off, and we go back into airplane mode. And there we go. Still connected to the Safer Tech adapter. And I hope that this is helpful for you. Be well. And just to show you, Janice, here we are in the far field. I was recording myself, so it was a little difficult. But anyway, we're on airplane mode. We're still connected to Instagram. We're in the far field. We're looking at the most sensitive setting. And now if we go to the less sensitive setting, you're going to see even lower readings. We'll go to the more sensitive. We're in the far field. And wait, watch, see, there's very little being detected. You can still see that we're peaking right now at about 2 on the Pro and absolutely nothing on the Classic there. And there we are, still plugged in to the Safer Tech Ethernet adapter. So I'm not really sure where you're getting readings, but the far field is the proper way to use this, and we're absolutely in the far field now. I can even get a little closer for you and show you that we're still not really picking up anything. And I think you can also depend on the Pro there. So I hope that alleviates your concerns. I think you must be getting something from the environment, which is really, really common. It's hard to find a super intensely secure environment like a Faraday canopy. So let me know if you have any other questions.